While yoga won't magically make you grow taller, it can help to improve your posture and alignment, which can create the appearance of added height. Poor posture can cause your spine to compress, making you look shorter than you actually are. By practicing yoga poses that focus on stretching and lengthening the spine, you can improve your posture and alignment, which can create the appearance of added height. Some of the best yoga poses for improving posture and alignment include mountain pose, downward dog, cobra pose, and triangle pose. These poses can help to stretch and lengthen the spine, improve circulation, and reduce muscle tension and stiffness. In addition to improving posture, yoga can also help to reduce stress and anxiety, which can cause tension and tightness in the body. By practicing yoga regularly, you can release this tension and promote a sense of relaxation and well-being. So while yoga won't make you grow taller, it can help you to look and feel your best by improving your posture, reducing stress, and promoting overall health and well-being.